Magandang hapon po ng December 16, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 16, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, December 16, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 16, 2024, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, December 16, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 16, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.